So hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. My name is Sadia Farhan, and in this video we are going to start the subject of research in mass communication. So in this video we are going to discuss some important terms of research. So let's have a look. Research. What is research? A studious inquiry, examination that is aimed at the discovery and interpretation of facts, revision of accepted theories or laws in the light of new facts, practical application of such new or revised theories or laws. Concept. What is concept? An abstract idea. Concepts can be based on real phenomena. Concepts are generalized idea of something. Common demographic measures, for example, income, age, education, level, gender, number of siblings. These are concepts. Construct. Construct exists at a higher level of abstraction than concepts. They cannot be directly observed. Examples of construct are as justice, beauty, happiness. They cannot be directly observed. Variable. A quantity having its value not fixed. Something that may or does vary, change, a variable feature or factor. Dependent variable, independent variable. Dependent variable means those who have effect, who has been affected, like audience. This variable is measured by experiment. Independent variable. Independent variable is media, intentionally changed to measure its effect. Independent variable is intentionally changed to measure its effect. Now, what is quantitative? What is qualitative? Quantitative. Quantitative generates numerical data or information that can be converted into numbers. Qualitative. Qualitative provides complete, detailed description of research topic. Here it gives numerical data, and here in qualitative it gives description of research topic. Inductive, deductive. Inductive. Inductive means from specific to generalized. From specific to generalized. And deductive mean from generalized to specific, like this. So this is a tip to learn it. Inductive means from specific to generalized. Deductive means from generalized to specific.